You know, when you care so much about someone, or you invested so much in someone, you invested your time, your energy, your love on someone, and you just convince yourself that it's a phase, they will change, you can make it work, and all of that. Hi guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mosma, and part of the playlist that I have on the 25 things I regretted is a serious thing. Please, if you not watched that, you can go and watch that. On today's video, I'll be talking about the red flags I ignored in my 25 years of living, and of which I regretted them so much. But right now, as it is, it's a great lesson for me, and I don't want any one of you watching me right now to fall a victim of those regrets. Also, without further ado, let's dive into the video. In today's video, I regretted those red flags that I ignored in my friendship, in my relationship. Red flags can come in many ways. It can come with your friendship, it can come with your female friend, your male friends, or it can even come with your partner. Wherever, these are the red flags that we we shouldn't even take a blink of a time to still permit in our lives, because on the long run you might regret those times that you accepted the bare minimum, you know. And this is even one of the points. Those times that I accepted the bare minimum, I know what I wanted, I know how I know my own art of law, art of service, you get. So those times that those people give me the bare minimum and I accepted them, because I don't want to give up on the friendship, I don't want to give up on the relationship. And I see the red flags, like they were showing me the red flags, but I still accepted it. I regretted those times so much. Also, I regretted those times that these people are inconsistent with me. They will call in today, not calling in months, in weeks, or waiting for me to, you know. I'm not saying I am waiting on them to initiate the call and everything, but the inconsistency, those times that they will just take me as an option. I'm taking these people as a priority, but this people that I adore so much, that I love so much, that I give so much time and attention to, they they are very inconsistent with me while I'm doing it otherwise with them. So I regretted those times, because I see that I'm the one that is forcing things, I'm the one that is making sure that it works out among us. Also, these red flags too of not communicating. Yes, there will be a time that, okay, probably we are chatting on the phone or something, and they'll be giving me, you know, this one word answer. You'll be okay after a long paragraph of message that you sent to this person, as if they are emotionally unavailable. They will just reply with a one word answer after all the long paragraph, like a deliberate communication that I wanted us to talk about, or I was there, I was writing on. They'll just reply with a one word answer. Those times that those people didn't even give me a quarter of what I'm giving out to them. Like, it gets to a stage that it leads to me overthinking, you know. I'll be overthinking, like maybe it's my fault, overthinking what I do wrong that making them act like this. But I come in concluding terms that this is not my fault. I am doing everything possible to make my relationship with those people work. So it's not even my fault. I come to the realization that these are red flags that I shouldn't have accepted in the first place, but I was managing it, which is a very wrong thing to do. If you see red flags and you can't, you see that it's not something that you can manage, please flee. That's the honest truth. You know, there is this thing with you having peace of mind. You know, that friendship or that relationship you are right now, or you probably want to get into, that your intuition, the Holy Spirit is telling you that this is not a good thing, but you want to be stubborn. Please don't be stubborn. This is something that in this my new age, I've seen it evidently. Whenever you're making excuses in your head for this person, then please, it's a no. It's a no. Whenever you are giving excuses, whenever you you want to pick up your phone to call this person and you're feeling anxious before you call this person, you're not safe. Your inner mind or your inner child is not safe with this person. There's a certain way you act whenever you see this person. Then why are you there? This is a call to action right now, like a reflection that wants every one of you to take home. Whenever you see these red flags, please just find the nearest exit, because these red flags won't disappear. You can't change someone that you just met within how many days, because if a person behaves in a certain way and you want to change that person, tell me how possible can you change a person that even the parents or the mom is unable to change? You just come into this person's life as an adult and you want to change that person. Please make it make sense. Now I realize that love is not about ignoring the signs, but is about looking out for them, is about seeing them for what it really is, even if it's hard. I know it can be hard. There's this particular people in our lives that we don't want to let go. We want to hold on to those people till the very end. I know it's very hard to let go at the end of the day, but please prioritize yourself, and that's where self-care come into play. Prioritize yourself, prioritize your peace, prioritize your heart, prioritize your mind, prioritize your emotions. Whenever you see that someone is giving you the bare minimum, or you're communicating with someone and you see that they are emotionally unavailable, these are red signs you should look out for and you should flee, so you won't turn to a regret, like the way I'm coming out to share it to all of you right now. This will be a wrap. I hope we learned one or two, or we resonated with one or two in this video. And please, I will share there will be a link down in the description box below, or you can also you can also view my channel to see my playlist. This is a playlist that I gathered together. I should be at number 18 or 17 or thereabout. Please, you check the playlist, and I'm very sure you will love them, or you resonated with any one of them. Check the playlist. It will be, I tag the playlist, my regrets, the regrets I have in my 20s or so. Please, you check the playlist and just look out for whichever you resonated with. And I will see you in the next one. Please don't forget to prioritize yourself and to take care of yourself, because that is the ultimate thing to do. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.